Vanakkam friends, as I promised earlier in the previous videos, this is our first educational video where you can also learn if you listen the video properly and the contents which I am sharing. Okay, we will name it as stock of my choice in our YouTube section. Okay, the first stock which I would like to start with is Bajaj Finance. I would say some interesting facts about this particular stock. I specifically call this particular stock as the gem of Indian markets. What do you mean by gem? It is always valuable. We wouldn't say a gem is not at all a valuable thing. So that is the name which I have kept for this stock. Why I have named it as gem, I will explain you. This is the only stock in Indian markets, to my knowledge, which has given 20% dip every year, and within next 12 months from the reversal, it will reach a new all-time high, which means it will give a dip of 20% and it will give a up move of 25% from there. This is the minimum which this particular stock has done for the past 10 years. I have history for everything, values for everything. Let me put it upfront in this video itself. So we have seen stocks like IRCTC which rallied from 320 to 4000 all the way. We have seen stocks like Asian Paints which has rallied from 100 something to 3500 something. We have seen stocks like Page Industries which has run from 300 levels to 25,000 levels, but none of the stocks has given dip every year and raised every year. It would have been a one-way move kind of stuff, or they would have given only dip once in 2 years or 3 years kind of stuff. So let's open the charts of Bajaj Finance. This is the one-day chart of Bajaj Finance. See the time frame here. This is the one-day chart of Bajaj Finance. So since we are looking for last 10 years, I will convert this as a monthly chart. Yes, the monthly chart is ready now. So we are discussing about last 10 years. Why I am taking 10 years means before that it was like a penny stock. See over here in 2008, 2009 over there, this stock is hovering in single digits. Only from 2009 mid this stock climbed above 2 digits. So I am ignoring that part and I am calculating it from 2011, or even if we can calculate it from 2010 as well. Okay, see the chart, how beautiful it is. It is like, if you see the charts, it will be like moving one way directional, but I will put on some values which I have taken and saved in Excel. Okay, then you will be coming to understand that how perfect it has given 20% dip every year and 25% up move every year. This is the situation. In July 2011, the all-time high of that particular stock is 75.80. So here I have calculated the in this particular column, I have calculated the 20% dip from all-time high, which is 60.65. How will you come to know whether this particular level is achieved? That I have mentioned over here. From July 2011, in August 2011, this has given a 20% dip. Members who would have entered here, what is the minimum target which I have suggested? 25%. So 25% in the sense it needs to make a new all-time high which is above the earlier one, which is 75.80. Within the next 6 months, the stock has achieved a high of 82. Now what happened after 82? It ran madly all the way till 141.70. Now this is the all-time high in January 2013. In 2013, if you calculate the 20% drop from there, the entry price is 113.36. So it has given a 20% dip in April 2013, and then in next 3 months itself, he has made a new all-time high of 159.50. From there, if you calculate another 20% on the downside, it is 127.6. Once again, it has given a dip in August 2013, and in Jan 2014 itself, it made a high of new high. I would say new high of 161.50. From there, it has ran madly till 572. Okay. Likewise, I have updated everything year by year in this chart. You would not see 2014 here. Why? Because the all-time high was touched in 2014. In the particular year, from 2014 till 2015, it has not given a dip. That is the only occurrence it has not given a dip. Likewise, see the last situation. Even during COVID fall, that March 2020, the first lockdown which was announced across India, even during that fall, when this particular stock fell down, everyone in my channel as well as in my personal WhatsApp groups and in my paid members column also, every member asked what to do with the stock. I said simply buy and keep it. When it dropped to 3,938, this is the 20% dip 20% dip from the earlier high of 4923.20. At that particular time, when people asked what should we do this when this fall came, I said just buy and keep. And thereafter market fell down drastically and it made a low till 2100. People were asking me, sir, it went more than half of the buying price, almost more than half of, 40% of our buying price. What we need to do? I said simply keep quiet. And to add on to them, I have posted a message saying on or before February 2021, if this stock fails to cross this particular level of 4923.240, catch hold of my collar. That was the statement which I have posted in my Telegram channel as well as in my members group. That was the statement. You will not believe, but that was the statement I have posted. Why? Because I had such confidence in this particular stock. I have been doing markets since 2007 August. I have been following the stock since 2010. So I am very confident that it is going to hit a new all-time high within next 12 months time frame. See what happened. Within next 8 months time frame, he made a high of 4960. And then it made a high till 5822.20. From there, when it dropped to this price, none of the members asked me what should do. Why? Because everybody knows what to do. People who would have bought here have almost been sitting in 75% returns as of now. 7679.95 is the high which was made on last Friday, that is 17th September. Now it is very clear and evident for you guys. Have these levels open in your screen and then open a Zerodha screen or whatever the trading platform whichever you use. Turn the charts of Bajaj Finance into a monthly time frame and then check whether the levels which I have put in the Excel sheet is correct or not. You can do it if you are not trusting me. Even if you are trusting me, you can do it. Why? Because I have done it personally. I don't have any staffs or other persons to do it. I personally have done it. So now what you should do when the stock drops from 20% from its previous high of 20%, you all know. You calculate high minus 20%, whatever the price comes, simply buy it. That is the only thing you can do. You will not, you don't have any other choice. If it drops further, don't worry about it. Keep adding if you have funds. The only stock which will give you 20% dip every year and 25% rise every year is this Bajaj Finance. That is why I have named it as GEM. Now, if you ask me whether it will give you a dip in 2022, I will say yes. 100% yes. There is no other go. This is the history of the chart which I have taken for last 10 years. Out of the 10 years, only 1 year it has not given a dip because it tripled from the earlier high. Okay. So I would say definitely you will see a 20% dip. I would not say whether it will come today, next week or next to next week or next month or so. But definitely a 20% dip from its all-time high will come. And if you invest there, I bet you will end up with 25% profits in next 12 months time. If you are fine and using a calculator like the formula what I said, then it's good. But if you are relying only on charts, you don't go for use a calculator. If you are relying only on charts, then do this thing. Go and add moving average on the monthly time frame. Go and add moving average. I have added 20 moving average in the monthly charts. This red line is the moving average. So whenever you see a dip and this particular stock levels test or come near to the 20 simple moving average, just simply buy it and hold. Definitely from there it will raise higher. Even if it dips from there like it has done here, if you have funds you can add more, or it is not an issue, you can simply hold it for some time. Definitely that particular stock will test a new all-time high in next 12 months time. This is the history of Bajaj Finance which has happened last 10 years continuously barring 1 year. The only 1 year in 2014 was an exception as the stock tripled from the earlier levels. So now next time when you see a 20% dip, simply buy it. This is a portfolio stock. Whoever wants to stay invested in markets must buy at least one stock of this particular company. So I feel this video is enough, and the explanation which I have given is also very enough for you. We'll see you in the next video with a different stock. Thank you all. If you find this video is good and the information shared is helpful, share it to your friends and family members, whoever is interested in investing in markets. Thank you again. Bye all. See you.